Ladies of the choir off with pay, so we'll be singing for your pleasure this morning. We enjoy the ladies in the choir, and I hope y'all all have a fantastic Mother's Day.
I'm satisfied with just a cottage below, a little silver and a little gold. But in that city where the ransom will shine, I want a gold one, that silver line. I got a mansion just over the hilltop in that bright land where we'll never grow old. And someday yonder we'll never more wander, but walk the streets that are purest gold. Though often tempted, tormented and tested, and like the prophet, my pillow of stone. And though I find here no permanent